Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to remove the ransomware which is called Backshow. Backshow is a ransomware that is able to damage the files. Before the ransomware attack, you can now clearly see that we are able to open our files and to use our files without any problems. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. My video is for educational purposes. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Backshow ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the files. So typically after people restart their computers, they soon realize that something really bad has happened with the data and that they cannot use the files anymore because of this Backshow ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and adds a special random extension to the data. In my case it's 508, but in other computers the extension may be different. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, to pay the ransom does not guarantee that your data would be restored, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you immediately delete this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, Combo Cleaner. You might need to use Internet Explorer to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And the software should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or other malware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. You can also clearly see that this Backshow ransomware also changes the desktop background into this black theme. The ransomware once again tries to force people into paying the ransom, but you should not pay it. You should remove this ransomware immediately, and Combo Cleaner is what will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future.